Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be doing a review on the Loadstone Studio 14-inch LED round ring light with carry bag and light stand tripod dimmable continuous lighting kit. So I got this from Walmart.com, and I placed this order on the 1st of July, and it was, where's the price? It was like $64, and I didn't have to pay shipping. I don't know why, but I didn't, so it's a steal. But I was looking at lights on AliExpress, and I would have to pay shipping on that, and the shipping was like 20 something dollars. I was like, no, I might as well get it from like a real website, because AliExpress can be janky sometimes. So I went to Walmart and I didn't have to pay shipping, and I got it for $64. So if you want a ring light, go to Walmart. So I ordered this on the 1st of July, and I got it yesterday, which is, what was yesterday? Yesterday was the 9th. So I got it in about a week-ish, a little over a week. I ordered it on a Sunday. I got it the next Monday. It was supposed to come Tuesday. It was supposed to come today, because today is Tuesday, but it didn't. It came earlier, like a day earlier. And I didn't have to sign for it. They just dropped it off and left. You know how FedEx today ring doorbell and leave. Anyways, none of that's important. So the basic review on the light, and I actually want to show the light. This light, I love it, and I don't only record it on video with it, but I like it a lot. Like, it's really like I've come from making my own ring lights and all of that, and really I've come from the finesse. Like, I was born and raised in the finesse. Like, you should see like some of the pictures I've taken just through finessing like situations. My tripod like situation at one point was a vacuum cleaner with a selfie stick attached, and you know, so I come from the finesse. So it's really nice to just have this real ring light, and it comes with a little thing. I'm gonna show you, like, it comes with the thing, because at first I didn't think it comes, but you have to look inside the box. Like, look, it's one more thing inside the box, and it's the little tiny device that's for you to like hook your phone up, and it's like a little thingy, turny thingy. And then you like put your, like, I had a selfie stick, so I just took the part off the selfie stick, because I put that part on the tripod, then the tripod broke, so I took it off the tripod and put it on the selfie stick. I took it off the tripod and put it on this ring light, and it works like a tripod and ring light all in one. And I paid like 20 bucks for a tripod, so for me to get a ring light and a tripod for like 60, I was like, oh my gosh, so good. And it's just warming my heart. The light settings, like, there's a knob at the bottom, so I'm gonna turn it all the way down. So that's the light off. That's like at its lowest, and then that's the highest. The highest is pretty bright. It's not hard to put together, but really I put stuff together a lot, you know. It came in like, the light part came, let's see, right, the light part came in the bag, the carrier bag, and then the wires and stuff came in the carrier bag. The tripod came in the box, and then the little piece for your phone came like in the box too. You have to just keep looking for it. So yeah, overall I really like this light. I know that's not much of a review, but I really think it's worth the money. Like, I don't regret purchasing this at all. It came with everything I wanted. It came with the whole thing for the phone, and I just feel like it's perfect. And I just recorded another video, and I think the quality is like so much better. It's still not perfect, because at the end of the day I'm recording on a phone, so there's no way I'm gonna be able to get it absolutely perfect, and I apologize for that. And I will be trying to get myself a camera in the coming months. Like, don't worry, like, it's coming. I feel like this has like raised the quality so much. So yeah, I really like it. So yeah guys, I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I would recommend you buying this light if that's what you were waiting on hearing. I recommend this light, and I really hope you guys enjoy this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe first, then I will see you guys in the next one.